Who the hell are you? Hydra's new version?
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create hilarious Kung Fu fighting videos with funny commentary. These types of videos blow up on the internet, so make sure you watch till the end. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the image to video section. Now, just upload your image. Let's say I want to make Captain America do some Kung Fu moves. You can either let the AI generate a prompt for Kung Fu or just type one yourself. Click on Generate, wait a little, and boom! Our Kung Fu video is ready. Let's check it out. Whoa, that's some solid fighting. Now, let's download this and add a cool voiceover to make it even better. For voiceovers, we'll use HitPaw Edimakor, one of the best editing tools out there. If you don't have it yet, grab it from the link in the description. Once you open it, you'll see our video all set for editing. Now, let's bring it to life with a voiceover. There are a few ways to do this, but here's the easiest one. Go to the text section and type your funny commentary. Use the text-to-speech feature. There are tons of voice options, just pick the one you like. Click Start Converting. And just like that, your text turns into an actual voiceover. Now let's play the video.
Who the hell are you? Hydra's new version? Are you some fake Captain America?
The voice is a little off sync. No problem. We'll just slow down or speed up the clip a bit to make it match perfectly. To make things even funnier, I'll add a second voiceover for another character. Same process. Just choose a different voice. And there you go. Multiple characters, multiple voices.
Who the hell are you? Hydra's new version? Are you some fake Captain America?
I look fake to you. Take this.
Right now, our video is about 60% done. Time to add some epic sound effects. A good sound effect can make a huge difference. Let's say I want to add an angry grunt during a fight scene. I'll just search for it in HitPaw Edimakor's sound library. And there it is. Let's add it. Now I also want a cool explosion effect. And guess what? HitPaw Edimakor already has everything we need. Let's quickly add it and see how it looks. To make the video even more fun, I used auto subtitle to add cool captions. This helps a lot, especially for people who watch without sound.
Who the hell are you? Hydra's new version? Are you some fake Captain America?
I look fake to you. Take this.
And just like that, our plain video is now full of energy and entertainment. HitPaw Edimakor just made everything so easy. In this video, you must have seen a realistic hand gesture character just like mine. If you're curious about how to create one, drop a comment below and I'll make a step-by-step tutorial just for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you guys in the next video.